Hi children, very good morning. Hope everybody are good. I am your accounts and commerce sir. Let's use this lockdown period usefully. Your bright future is our goal. So we have decided to teach the lesson through video. I am quite sure that this video will be highly effective. Be attentive and watch the video carefully. Go through it as many times as possible to be thorough of the concept. I am readily available to clarify your doubt. Let's thank our management to have taken such a wonderful step to support us. Now we are teaching accountancy subject. Accounts is not a new subject to us. Already we have studied in 11th standard in basic accounts. You remember in the golden rules. Golden rules. Golden rules followed from three types of accounts. Personal accounts. Second one, real accounts. And third one, nominal accounts. Personal accounts in golden rules, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real accounts, what comes in debit and what goes out credit. Nominal accounts, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. Above the golden rules followed in double entry system. Double entry system. Double entry system means it's followed from two aspects. One aspect is debit and another one aspect is credit aspect. Debit aspect and another one credit aspect. Debit aspect as well as receiving aspect. And credit aspects are as well as giving aspect. You know the double entry system. Now we studied in 12th accounts. Accountancy. In first chapter, accounts from incomplete records. Accounts from incomplete records or single entry system. Single entry system. Incomplete means not strictly followed from double entry system. Not strictly followed from double entry system. Each and any one transaction only one aspect followed from debit or otherwise credit aspects. Not followed from the double entry system. That is a incomplete records. Incomplete records will be prepared two types of method. First one, net worth method. And second one, conversion method. Conversion method. Conversion method. First one net worth method and the second one conversion method. In net worth method you find the profit or loss. Net worth method find the profit or loss. You need the opening capital and closing capital. Opening capital and the second one closing capital. Opening capital and the second one closing capital. You find the profit or loss, format in the statement of affairs. Format of Statement of profit or loss. Find the profit or loss account. Closing capital, add drawings. Next step, less additional capital. This amount is adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. Next step, less opening capital. Last answer, profit or loss. Profit or loss. That is a format of statement of profit or loss. Closing capital, add drawings. This amount will be added to the add drawings and find that this amount. Less additional capital, find the next answer. Adjusted closing capital, less opening capital. Last, that is a profit or loss. A profit or loss, if adjusted closing capital is step 1. Adjusted closing capital is more than opening capital, that is profit. Step 2, if adjusted closing capital is less than opening capital, that is loss. Now you prepare sum number 1. Exercise 1, given the textbook, opening capital amount ₹2 lakhs and closing capital ₹3,50,000. Additional capital 70,000. Drawings rupees 40,000. Opening capital 2 lakhs, closing capital, opening capital 2 lakhs, closing capital 3,50,000, additional capital 70,000, drawings 40,000. Find profit or loss. Statement of answer. Statement of profit or loss. That is for closing capital. Closing capital 3,50,000. Add drawings amount 40,000. Add 40,000, so 3,90,000 less additional capital. Additional capital amount will be 70,000. So 3,20,000. This answer is adjusted closing capital. Next step, less Opening capital. Opening capital amount, so 2 lakhs. A difference amount, it is 1,20,000. That is a profit or loss. If adjusted closing capital is more than opening capital, that is a profit. Suppose if adjusted closing capital is less than opening capital, that is a loss. Okay, bye children. See you next video.